Hi, my name is Jacob and welcome to the second exercise of few of these. I don't know how many there would be. Okay, in the first exercise we did something with our fruits database and we calculated if we set up the correct price range, if there is no problem with the price, and we exercised if, and or functions plus the condition formats. And now in this video we will go through the VLOOKUP function, which everybody seems to should know about, but not a lot of you understand the function, how it's working, what are the mysteries, and what are few problems or things you should be aware of. Okay, let's start. What we want to know, this is our orders from our eShop, which is really successful. We have 40 orders, so it should be profitable. And we want to get the purchasing price of the fruit we have in order. Problem is these fruits and these orders are from this database of our products, and the problem is they are in different order than in the stock. So we can use like banana is this, it's not, it's apples. Okay, for this we will use the VLOOKUP functions we were talking about and I told you about. We will go through it. Okay, VLOOKUP functions has 4 parameters or conditions in the function. First condition is the search key. Search key for us is the banana. Search key is what we are searching for in our table. We cannot search by ID because there is no ID here. We can search through anything else. Is it just banana? And we know that there are banana is here, and basically VLOOKUP functions works like this. We want to set up what we search for, which is banana. Second argument is where he will search the range. Range is the table in stock A and G. So it's the sheet name stock, and we want to column from H to G. It should be enough for us to go to like A to D, but this doesn't matter. There are 2 approaches, and I will show you 2 of those. First is you can write it completely, so you are going to the list stock A and up to G, but you can do through the name range, which is like you will highlight the area you would like. This is this area. Then you go to data, named range. You will say this is our database, and it's stock A to D. And now if you refer to this name, which is like VLOOKUP search key database, it will automatically think that database means stock A to D. That's really important. So it's much easier to work with these names than rather than list 1 and everything. Okay, so we want to find banana in our table database. Third argument is the index. Index is a number of columns of the range which we want to get back as a result. Let's go, for example, put it's a number, so let's put 1. So search key is the banana, area it's our database, and range is 1. Now you see it will return banana. This is the first column there, and the last function, last argument is it sorted. Thing is, you can search exact match or some similar match, and we want exact, so we can put the 0 or the false. It doesn't make anything. So now you see we got banana from other table, which is not helpful because we want the purchasing price of banana. Okay, so let's go to the index. Index says that we want the first column from our database, and first column is name of the fruits, and we want second column, which is the purchase price. So we just change that in here. Let's change that to 2, and now you will see we will get a 5. 5 is the banana purchasing price. Yeah, surprise, surprise. So if we expand this, we can look if it's correct. So let's go to Sherry. It should be 11. Purchasing price is 11. Sherry has purchasing price and I am blind. 11. Nice. So it's correct. Okay, we want the selling price. If you want the selling price, you will see that selling price is in C column. And the C column means from our range, it's like third column. Easy enough. So let's insert VLOOKUP there. We want to search for banana. We want to search to the database. Or we can say we want to search for stock and A to D. That's mean the same. And we want to get third column, which is the selling price, and put the 0, which is we want to exact match. So you want to find banana. We don't want to find banana or something like this. Okay, now you see we got the selling price. That's really important. Okay, now we want something like, okay, let's assume we will send this amount of pieces. Now we want to calculate our profit and if we can sell so many pieces. But before that, I want to warn you about one thing of the function VLOOKUP. Thing is, if we insert a search key, which is like a B2, and we want to search in our database, which is for us is this area. I think is the area in this area. Thing is, every time the VLOOKUP will search in the first left column of the area of the table. That is the problem. So if we, for example, insert one column here and have this area as a range, let's say it's a test, let's call it something like this. And if we want to do the same but change the test, it will not find it because the VLOOKUP function will try to search column A because that's the first column of the table. That's bad. So you need to keep in mind that the range has to be, the first column of a range has to be the key. Yeah, that's really important. Okay, so if we change it back to the database, which is right. So now it's working. So I'm not like kidding or giving you false information. Okay, let's calculate our profit. Our profit is really easy. How many pieces we are selling through the order, and then we need to do this and multiply it by number of pieces we are selling. Yeah, we got $2. Sorry for this formatting. I don't want to show it to you because it's we will do it later. Okay, so now we are seeing some profits, and now we can see that we are losing money on some orders. We will go through it afterwards, but another example of what we want to know. It's a combination of if function and VLOOKUP function. Thing is, we want to know if we can sell or if we have in stock so many pieces of the order 1, 2, 3, and other orders. So thing is, we want to combine two functions. First combination is if function. Thing is, we want to know if the pieces we have is lower than our stock information about pieces. Banana, we have basically banana, we want to sell one piece, and we have in stock, let's have a look on that, 7 pieces. Okay, so we can sell it, but we want to do it automatically. It's 40 orders and I don't have time. I have to do something else with my life. Okay, so let's do it. If the pieces is less than VLOOKUP, search key it's banana. Second argument is range. Range is database for us. And index. Index is 4. It's the fourth column is the number of pieces we have in stock. We can check afterwards. And then it's 0. Thing is, this will return the number 7 in our stock system, and we can say, okay, if the pieces in order is lower than what we have in stock, so everything is okay. We can sell it. And if it isn't, oh, sorry. Okay, and it's done. So basically, we can't sell these orders. Sorry, 10, 11, 12. They have to wait. We have to write them emails or something. And that's not good. But thing is, we can do this automatically. And the same is with VLOOKUP functions, with if functions, with other things. You can combine data, you can filter data. Now I can just put a filter in here and I can see which orders I can ship. And thing is, I can multiply the if function. I can have much longer and much more complicated process with this function. Okay, let's do the last thing. We want to know which order. We can filter it, but let's visualize it. Data, condition formats, and we want to know if this cell is less than 0, and we want to show it as a red because we are losing money. Okay, that's the first. And the second visualization is we want to know if the cell is equal to holy shit. And now you can see these red zones are not good for us. We are either losing money and we don't have the amount of pieces in stock. And that's everything is done through the VLOOKUP if conditional formatting, and you can do a lot of things through the AdWords with it. You can visualize, you can filter data, you can even bid through this if functions. It's really nice and it's snappy. Okay, that's it. Try it. I will share this spreadsheet. You can try it yourself. You can watch it afterwards. You can see the article. It's really easy. Okay, bye.